So the liver needs antioxidants. What's an antioxidant? Antioxidants are very high in electrons. And a free radical is basically an atom missing an electron. And when an atom is missing an electron, it grabs an electron from the next atom. And then that atom grabs one from this. So you've got this chain of free radical action that can be damaging to the tissues. But God in His wisdom and mercy gave us plants that have lots of electrons on it. They're called antioxidants. And the plants that have the highest antioxidants, in fact, one antioxidant is called beta-carotene. So beta-carotene, the plants that it's found in is your dark green and your dark orange vegetables. So the majority of juices that we give our guests are 80% carrot, 10% apple and 10% celery. And our celery is very green, like your celery out in the garden. Dark green. 80% carrot, 10% apple, it's usually the Granny Smith, and 10% celery. We have to be careful we don't put too much celery in our juices because our celery is so strong. We use the leaves more than the stems. So that juice is very, very high in beta-carotenes. We also give our guests a shot of green barley every second juice. That's very high in beta-carotenes. Most of our juices that we give our guests are either green or orange or red. So your beets are high in the beta-carotenes. So your beta-carotene is one of the most famous antioxidants. Vitamin C is also very famous. The vitamin C should be the whole C. What do I mean by that? Not just ascorbic acid. Taking ascorbic acid is like getting an envelope in the mail that's empty. When you find ascorbic acid in nature, you'll find it with bioflavonoids. So when you use vitamin C, it should be ascorbic acid with bioflavonoids. So that's your whole C. You've heard of Linnaeus Pauling. He became very famous on his work on vitamin C. It was always the whole C. And vitamin E is also an antioxidant, like beta-carotene and vitamin C. These are the three most famous antioxidants. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin. The way you remember your fat-soluble vitamins is ADEK, A-D-E-K. A-D-E-K are your fat-soluble vitamins. And with our guests, every second juice, we give them a little protein powder in a little soy or almond milk with a bit of coconut cream. So in the almond milk and in the coconut cream, they're getting vitamin E.